Okay, so let's say you're at home and you are browsing IMDb, you're doing some surfing of the web, and you realize that you need to get your homework done, but you don't know where to start. And you're going to need to be collecting some resources. A good place to start is Wikipedia. And I'm going to show you how to find sources on Wikipedia. First, you go to Wikipedia and search on Google or just put in wikipedia.org. Then you choose the language you want, probably English. Then you go to this upper right-hand portion where it has categories already chosen for you, arts, biography, etc. Go to all portals. These portals are going to give you a window on different categories of information that you can look in. And you can just go by what you're interested in. If you're interested in geography and places, go there. If you want to look at mathematics and logic, go there. Let's try natural and physical sciences because it's a good place to start to do a research project. Let's look up mammals. Now this is going to give you a bunch of information on mammals. What if you wanted to find out where they got their information? You use the elevator, which is a quick way to get down your page, here to go all the way to the very bottom. Now you'll see a bunch of links down here like Wikimedia, and you're also going to see wiki projects here, how these things break down. What if you want to go to an actual article or see where they got their information? So underneath culture, geography, health, mathematics, etc., you go to culture to go to another category and get a rundown of ideas. This is a much larger breakdown than mammals because that's a very small category. So under culture and arts, you have performing arts, recreation and entertainment. You have the basic arts. So let's go to the visual arts, which would be things like textile, design, graffiti, architecture. You get a basic description of what architecture is. It gives you the origin of the word, basic history, etc. Now let's say you wanted to research something that's super specific, like this, the National Congress of Brazil by Oscar Niemeyer. This happens to be a famous architect. Rather than researching him, let's research the building. Now you go to this building, again you can use the elevator to go up and down to get a quick look at it. And we're going to talk about references. So this is a basic article here. Sometimes they give you an outline of what's in the article. This one doesn't. Oh, there it is. It's called contents. It's the same thing as an outline. It shows you that, it gives you the breakdown of what's in this article, the building itself, what it houses, a gallery of photos, and references. References are also located at the bottom if you scroll down. References. If you're up here in the table of contents, you can also click references. For this article, there are no references listed, but they do have external links, which is something that's similar. Now let's go back to our original search. You can just use the back arrows to go back, all the way back to portals. So you start your search here. This is to give you an idea of the categories you might look in. But what if you know that you want to look up something specific? Let's try Helen Keller. This gives you a lot of basic information about Helen Keller, who was here, an American author, political activist, and lecturer. What it's not telling you is that this woman was blind and deaf as a child, and yet she learned how to sign and had a very, very successful and active life, which was very unusual when she was born. Again, we have the contents, which is like an outline, and again, you can jump down to the references going here. Now, in this case, there are a lot of references because there's been a lot of research about this person, and you can see that a lot of them are from good academic sources, like the Royal National Institute of People, the Perkins School for the Blind, the Helen Keller Birthplace, Journal of Southern History, and it goes on, and they're numbered. So you can see that just for this one person's biographical information, there are 45 sources. That's a lot. So that's how you do a basic and a specific search, where you look for references, and how you use a table of contents in Wikipedia. Good luck in your search.